Levi, what are you eating? What is that? What? Cheese. What's on your shirt?
Papa?
Oh, really? I think he'd be surprised to hear that. That's not Papa. Is that a dinosaur? Is Papa a dinosaur? No. Can you say dinosaur?
Down.
Dinosaur. Cheese. Say cheese, please.
Pig. Pig.
What does Papa drive?
Bus.
Yes, bus with cheese in your mouth. Can you smile and say cheese? Levi, look at Mommy.
Cheese.
Cheese. Can you smile? Can you show me a big, pretty smile? Can Mommy see your smile? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.